Lindsay here, representing Mobile Iron at Bry Forum. Mobile Iron is a company that is built around the mobile IT computing platform. We secure devices, applications, and content for multi-OS situations. So if you're looking at securing the device, for instance, one of our most basic components is our mobile device management platform, to where we can enable password protection, we can remote wipe a device, we can selectively wipe a device and ensure that corporate content is removed. We also manage content on devices, so securing email attachments, securing SharePoint infrastructure, and other content that the device is accessing. Maybe it's intranet, like I said, SharePoint, CIFS, email attachments. We also secure applications. Mobile Iron has built up not only our ecosystem, so we actually can secure third-party applications such as Box, such as Mobile Echo, and various other third-party applications as part of our ecosystem, but we also can secure your applications that you're developing within your organization as well. Visit www.mobileiron.com for more information.